All right, here we are again in the to-do list. This is next up, doing, done, and that yay column is getting really big. The to-do column, I keep adding things to that, so that definitely keeps changing, but let's go through. Fixed rust spot on the roof. Done. Put that over there. Frame out benches. A little tricky to get off of there. Done. Secure the water tank. Done. Buy batteries. That is done. They have arrived and they've all been charged and they're ready to go. Insulate wheel wells and or box them in. Done. I'm going to mark this one done. I was looking at different tools. Track saw, plus nuts versus riv nuts, impact driver. I did buy an impact driver, a nice one. I'm opting out on a track saw. I can just use a board for a jig. I'm sure they're wonderful, but I'm fine. So, determine wiring needs. I'm definitely working on that. I feel like I want to install the actuators because I feel like that's a big... I need to know where those go. So I'm going to move that over into doing. And part of what goes with that is I need to have a place to mount them. So I'm going to build the oven cabinet. So I think that's where we are. Other things that I want to do before winter is install my heater. I want to get the Nerf bars installed. I've been buying some of these. It's not done, and I need to run the wire. So I've just got quite a few other things. And in the backlog here, frame the shower, install the water tank under the van. I've got to order 80/20. I got to build the sink fridge cabinet. I have to do the insulation on the ceiling, plumb things. Still plenty to do. We'll keep working. Done. Yay.